How to buy Vib token. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to buy Vib token step by step. Vib stands for Viberate, and if you go to the Viberate page on the CoinMarketCap and on the markets, you can see all the exchanges where you can buy Viberate token. For example, you can buy it on Binance.com, and now I will show you how to do this on Binance.com. Definitely you need to have some funds in your account, for example stablecoin USDT, and now on the trade go to Binance Convert. It's the easiest way to buy crypto without any complicated stuff. And now let's say I want to convert USDT, it's default cryptocurrency here, and I will choose Vib here, which stands for Viberate, and let's say I want to convert 1 USDT to Viberate. Let's preview conversion. I will receive 12.89 Vib. Let's convert, and that's it. Transaction was successful. That's it guys, thanks for watching and see you next time.